Good morning, students. In today's module, we will learn about trigonometric identities. These trigonometric identities are very important and you have to remember these. See, first formula is sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x minus y is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. It is not necessary that the angle is in the form of x and y. It may be in the form of a and b. So if it is sin a plus b, it will be sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos a plus b is both cos will appear first and this symbol will not appear. Its negative will appear. If it is plus, it will be minus. If it is minus, it will be plus. You have to remember this in case of cos. In case of sin, the symbol is same. If it is plus, here is plus, minus है तो minus है. But in case of cos, the symbol will be reversed. So if cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and cos a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Next is tangent a plus b. Tangent a plus b is tan a plus tan b over 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan a minus b is tan a minus tan b over 1 plus tan a tan b. Next is cot a plus b. It will be cot a cot b minus 1. Again, symbol is reversed. If it is plus here, in numerator it is minus. So cot a cot b minus 1 over cot b plus cot a. And if it is cot a minus b, it will be cot a cot b plus 1 over cot b minus cot a. Children, you have to remember these identities. I am giving force on these words that you have to remember these identities. Because without remembering this, you will not be able to solve the questions. So, see, in exercise 3.3, I have taken some questions. Say question number 2. Prove that 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. You have to prove this result. This question is very easy. It is based upon your 10th class values. See, it is 2 sin square 180 by 3 is 180 by 6 is 30 degree. Here also 180 by 6 is 30 into 7, it will be 210. So firstly you have to convert this pi into degrees. This in place of pi you have to write 180 degree. So you have to convert left hand side in the form of angle in degrees. Now what is this? Sin 30 ka whole square. This is cosecant 210 whole square cos 60 whole square. You will put the value of sin 30. It will be half square. Cosecant 210 you may write cosecant 180 plus theta. And 180 plus cosecant 180 plus theta, there will be no change. So it will be cosecant 30. But since it is in third quadrant, so there will be negative symbol. But because it is a square, so ultimately it will become positive. And here cos 60 is 1 by 2 square 1 by 4. So finally you will apply the value here. You will keep the value here. It will be half plus minus 2 square into 1 by 4. You will get half plus 1 is 3 by 2. Next is sin 75 degree. You have to find the value of sin 75 and tan 15. This is the fifth question. I have taken both parts. So first is sin 75. Sin 75 is what? You may write 75 as 45 plus 30. Now, which identity will you use? It is what? Sin A plus B. And what is sin A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Clear? Now, you know the values of these because this though you have learnt in 10th class. Sin 75 though you don't know na, so you have break up 75 into 45 plus 30. Now using the identity you have written it in this form. Now you can keep the values of sin 45, you know, cos 30, you know, cos 45 and sin 30. So after keeping the values you will get this result. Similarly in 10, 15 you don't know, but you may write 15 in the form 45 minus 30. Now what is this? Tangent A minus B, tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. Now put the values of 45 and 30 here. You know the value of tangent 45 and tangent 30 degrees. So after putting the values, you will get root 3 minus 1 over root 3 plus 1. Clear? And tomorrow we will learn about some more identities. Clear? Thank you.